Make decisions easily. It's always about vibration. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, decision making is a huge part of life. Every day, people are making decisions about all kinds of things. Relationships, the house you live in, travel, education, job, the timing of things. Always so many decisions, and this can be a real source of low vibration if you're procrastinating or you're weighing out pros and cons and you're trying to make the right decision. Or if I make this decision, what will happen? If I don't make this decision, and if I wait till I make the decision, there's a lot of energy going on around decision making, and a lot of it is very low vibration conversation with the law of attraction. And that means your bucket is filling up with a lot of low vibration, and then you can't receive all that stuff that you want, that your inner being knows you want from your life experience, the contrast, set it all up. And it's all high vibration stuff, right? And so if you're in low vibration trying to make decisions about what's right and wrong or good or bad or how long you should take or how long you should wait, that is enough to really get in the way and block the path to the things that you want. The important thing about making decisions is really, really easy. Making a decision is like the choice you make about anything else when you choose a thought about anything, really. You just want to make a choice that is the easiest to feel good about. Because the law of attraction has no idea that you're in the middle of trying to make a decision or if you're tying your shoe. It absolutely knows nothing about the details of what's going on in your day and where your mind is focused or any of that. It just constantly picks up your vibration. Picks it up, picks it up, picks it up. So if you got 2 or 3 or 4 decisions in front of you, options to make a decision, just pick one. And, decide what's the easiest one to feel good about, the easiest one to stay high vibration about, and that will fill your bucket up with high vibration energy. And no matter what choice you make, you see, most people think a choice is going to be the determinant of how their life. Oh, I better watch out for this choice. If I make the wrong one, it could ruin my life. There's no such thing as that. The worst you can ever do with a choice that you make or any way that you go through your day with the thoughts that you're choosing is you can just delay the receiving of what you want, right? It's all here. It's all here right now as I speak. All the things that you want are available to you. The path is right now in the room with you. And if you tune into it like a radio station, like you would a radio station to hear what you want to hear, tune into your dreams and your desires vibrationally, you're going to start to receive the path. So, for example, you could say, well, I don't know, I want to go to school, but I'm not really sure what I want to go for. I've got these different options. I'd just like to go. Just pick one. Just go and start a program that is the easiest to feel good about. And now, see, your inner being knows what you want. And it's got the educational path or whatever it is that you want from the contrast in your life. Maybe in the long run, there's not even education there. Maybe you're just thinking that's the way to go. And that's fine. Your inner being doesn't care. It knows what you want. And so if you'll just get lined up with whatever you decide, then you're going to receive it. So get into a program, and the one that feels easy about, and enjoy the heck out of it. Focus on the positive aspects of it so that you're dumping high vibration in, high vibration, high vibration. Law of attraction is picking that up. Law of attraction then is going to connect you with this path, and you're going to receive the details. So maybe you only stay in the program for 2 months, and then opportunities come that really appeal to you, because you'll have ideas and timing and meeting people and whatnot that are on the path that take you to what you want. So then you just say, okay, well, I'm going to go follow that inspired action. I'm going to go there because that's what I want. Now you use the program, the education, to invite the path. Nothing wrong with that at all. That's perfectly natural stuff. You see, But what do people do? Well, I'm not sure if I should go to school now or work and then wait a year. I'm not sure if I should go into this kind of topic, or maybe the market is really strong here, so maybe I should get some education over there. Now deciding on education on money and market conditions and everything, when you always want to be deciding on what is your natural gifts and talents and going there, because that's easy high vibration. You're always going to have abundance flow. It's not to do with the market or any of that kind of thing, any kind of type of education. It has all to do with flowing high vibration energy, because that's your currency of life. You flow joy, and what easier way to flow joy than to spend your days doing things that you really love to do. So, again, relationship. What kind of relationship decisions do we make? Do I get in a decision? Do I get in a relationship? Do I stay out of a relationship? Should I start to date? Should I wait to date? How long should I take in a date or dating somebody, or should I just have short term or long term? And then people are in a relationship, and maybe there's something going on there. Should I leave the relationship? Should I stay in the relationship? It's just endless amounts of questions when you just make a choice and line up with it. Okay, I'm going to stay and I'm going to focus. I'm going to stay in a relationship. I'm going to focus on the positive aspects of my partner. And I'm going to think about the qualities that I like. So I'm going to fill myself up with 100% emotional satisfaction. I'm going to ignore all the stuff I don't like, because I know if I get 100% emotionally satisfied one way or another, the law of attraction is going to put me on a path that my inner being knows what I want. So it's either going to be the better version of this relationship, or there's going to be a new relationship. And that's that. And that's how easy it is. But when you hee and haw and you try to make decisions about, well, should I do this? Should I do that? And then you make a decision, and then you start thinking, oh, maybe I should have made the other decision. And see, all you're doing is flowing low vibration, low vibration. So if you stay in the relationship, it's still going to be low vibration. If you leave the relationship, it's still going to be low vibration. And whether you stay single or you find somebody else, it's all still low vibration. You didn't clean up the energy. And so your life is not going to improve in terms of quality, right? The decisions that you make, people, they have to be decisions that you're willing to commit to and stay committed to the positive aspect of those decisions. And your life will work out just fine for you one way or another. And again, it's the same thing if you got a house. Well, should I buy a different house? Should I stay in this house? Should I wait for the market condition to change, or should I do it now? It's just enough to drive you crazy. And the law of attraction is just getting energy, up energy, down energy, up energy, down energy. Just decide what you want to do and feel good about it, because the law of attraction is going to hook you up with the path when you are in positive energy. Your inner being already knows the house that you want. And so you could just spend your time researching houses, doing, looking at houses, and just having fun doing that, and just do fun activities around the thought of a new house. And that's enough, right? Appreciate the house that you have and feel the emotional essence of the experience that you want, and just enjoy looking around at houses and whatnot, and keep all the resistance out of it, and let that be enough. Or say, I'm not going to buy a house. I'm not going to do another house right now. I'm just going to stay where I am, and I'm going to really appreciate it and feel good about it, and I'm going to be all high vibe about it, right? So now, what you're not actually resigning to say, well, I'm going to stay in this house. What you're doing is you're releasing the resistance. Now the law of attraction is going to connect you with the path for you to receive the house. You see, it's not about the decision. It's about your vibration. It's always about your vibration. And timing. Again, people think, okay, timing. How long should I wait? Should I do it now? Should I wait? Forget timing. Your inner being will take care of the timing. Never mind the timing. Same thing in the job. Should I stay at a job? Should I leave the job? Should I get this kind of job? Should I get that kind of job? Should I take this kind of job for a while and then get that kind of job? If you just take a job that you can line up with, maybe you got 2 or 3 job options that you could take, and you don't really like any of them, but you say, well, I want to work out something, so I'll just take one that feels good for now, the easiest one to feel good about. And when I do it, then I'm vibrationally in alignment with the job that I want, because I got no resistance. I'm finding all the positive aspects. I'm high vibration about everything going on. I'm supplying that on a daily basis. My bucket's full. and law of attraction is picking that up, right? So a full day of high vibration is not just about your job choice that you make, but it's about everything in your day. You want to fill your bucket up with everything in your day that's high vibration. So your thoughts about others, about yourself, about everything of your day. And if you're in a particular situation where you are making a job decision, you want to make sure that that's high vibration in the bucket too. Everything's got to be high vibration in the bucket, your daily bucket of energy. And if it is, law of attraction is going to do what it does, and it's going to hook you up with the path for what it is that you want, and you're going to be receiving it. So you just got to get away from this decision-making thing based on pros and cons and right and wrong and good and bad. All that procrastination is going to actually drive you crazy, and it's all low vibration, and you're doing nothing but inviting more of what you don't like to the situation, into your life, into your day. So make decisions easily. Just whatever is in front of you, you got 3 or 4 different options. Just take something that is easy to feel good about. And like I said, in education, maybe you think that you want to go to school, and school is a way to get to where you want to be, wherever that is that you've decided that is. And if you've set education up as the way to get to where you want to be, you see, maybe it is and maybe it's not. Your inner being knows for sure, because your inner being will set a path to what it knows you want from your life experience contrast. But it's okay. You can pick, go to school, and like I say, you could be 2 or 3 or 4 months in, and then because you got no resistance and you're receiving the path, then other things will occur to you. And maybe you'll stay in school, maybe you'll switch courses, maybe you'll get out of school altogether, but the path will come and you'll know, and you'll follow it, and it will all work out very lovely for you, right? And maybe you will complete the program. It just doesn't matter if you complete it, half complete it, get out of it. It doesn't matter. As long as you feel good as you're in it and going through it, until a new decision comes along that would feel even easier and better. And then you follow that. You see, you just follow the vibration. Follow the high vibration. Never mind the course or the school or the education or the program or any of that kind of stuff. Ultimately, just follow the high vibration, and it's going to deliver to you what it is ultimately that you want to be experiencing. Your inner being knows all about you. It's the non-physical part of you. It knows, it's with you all the time, knowing exactly what you want. So if you will get your decisions around what is easiest to feel good about, and if you have to, write your options on a piece of paper, and then write all the things that you like about that decision and all the things that you wouldn't like about it. And do that, say you had 3 options, and then look at those columns and say, oh, option 2 is clearly the easiest one to stay focused in a feel-good way. That is your right decision at that time in your life. And that goes for everything, because that is the decision you're making is the decision to keep high vibration energy flowing through your day to the law of attraction. And if you will do that, then your life is going to flow in ways that are very, very satisfying to you. So that's the way you want to go about making decisions, the easy way, and make them about vibration, and you're going to be very happy with what your vibrational decisions produce for you. Very, very happy indeed. Okay, so that's the message for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post, and enjoy your day.